you the game. Put those cold eyes one more time, one more time.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much.
Anybody else lose their voice this weekend?